Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to make this speech to text kind of a notes application in JavaScript. So this is a demo of the application. Here you can see the text area, and if I click on this button here, start recognition, now it will ask for the permission for microphone. So now the voice recognition is activated, so whatever I speak right now, so it will be automatically inserted inside this text area. So now you can see that. So whatever I am speaking through the microphone is automatically inserted inside this text area. So you can see that this is a simple text, speech to text kind of a web application in JavaScript. So at any point of time I can pause the recognition by pressing this button. So now you can see that the recognition is off here. So it is turned off. So if you want again to start the recognition, click this button here, start recognition. Voice recognition is activated once again. And at any point of time you can even store your text here by clicking this save note button here. If I click this, you will see your text will be saved inside this note section, and the date will be there, on which date the note was created. The time will also be there. You can even listen to your note as well. So if I click this button, a person will speak these text. So now let me show you the demo. So if I turn on the volume, so if I click this option, listen to note.
Suneo, the basic pension is activated through whatever I speak right now, so it will be automatically inserted inside the text area. So now I can see that, so whatever I am speak into the microphone is automatically inserted inside the text area. So you can see that this is a simple text speech to text kind of a web application in JavaScript. So at any point of time I can pause the recognition by pressing the button head start ignition. Voice recognition is activated once again.
So now you can see that you can even play your notes as well. So at any point of time, this is uh, if I refresh the page, you will still find this notes will be there, because we are storing this inside our local storage. So sessions are being used in JavaScript. At any point of time I can click the delete button to delete my notes, and again if I want to add manually, I can save this note manually as well. So you can see that.
FDFDF.
So this is a simple note application that we have built here. All the source code of this application is given in the video description. You can go to my blog post where I have provided all the source code. This is the blog post. The link is there in the video description. So go to my blog post and download all the source code of this application. Awesome application. So thanks very much guys for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.